Well, with Bellwether, our project guides can walk the homeowner, you, through the process. We use Hover or Hover 3D on all our projects. So with one of our project guides, you can test out new colors, test out different trims, and test out different siding profiles. Through the 3D rendering, you can see what it would be like to have board and batten, see how it would be to have shingle shake on the house, and lap siding. When it comes to the colors, we really have opportunity there as well. Through James Hardie and their Color Plus technology, we have the opportunities to really see your house shine. With the James Hardie Color Plus Statement Collection, we have access to 17 colors that are local here to Denver. We can get within a week and get out to your house. With that comes the Statement Collection trim colors. If you want to explore different opportunities with color, we have the Dream Collection, which has hundreds of colors. I can't even tell you how many. And then the Magnolia collection, which is a partnership with Chip and Joanna Gaines. And those colors are specifically curated by Joanna Gaines and really have a great palette for the modern home. With the technology that we have access to at Bellwether, we're able to help you visualize what your house could look like. If we want to take it another step further, we have opportunities to make that 3D rendering into a high definition rendering, so we can really play with it. It's more than what you can get with AI because we're working with our project guides. We're feeling you out. We're giving you some colors that we think might work, but we also want you to be in the driver's seat. So you can come back and say, I would prefer a gray tone with a white trim, and we can test that out.